torn and broken down. He prayed to God with tears that fell to the ground. He fasted, prayed, and trusted the Lord. God gave him favor and a clear reward. The king said, "Go rebuild the place." God's hand was on him, full of grace. He didn't quit, he didn't fear. God was with him, God was near. God build it up, build it strong. With God's help we can't go wrong. Brick by brick, side by side, faith and prayer are our guide. When the work seems big or hard to do, God builds his plans through me and you. Enemies laughed and tried to stop, but Nehemiah would not drop. With a tool in one hand, a sword in the other, they worked together, sister and brother. Day and night they stayed the course. God was their strength, God was their force. In just 52 short days, the wall